day 565 looking for that Valiz.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the 𝐒𝐿𝐵 family. Si c'est la première fois ou tombez sur channel nous, welcome, nous c'est 𝐒𝐿𝐵 family. Et si vous déjà abonné avec channel là, ou tournez back regarder plus belle vlog, merci. Pas oublier pour like, comment and subscribe pour regarder plus belle en pile l'autre vlog qu'on a pas like pour nous. Nous changeons la nous te dit nous t'avons cherché valise là and we couldn't find it. Nous avons cherché valise là dans l'autre mall pour nous voir si n'a pas joindre valise là. Cause nous checker valise là online and pas joindre ni. Nous checker valise là dans l'autre store que me checker pas joindre ni. But n'a pas regardé pour nous voir si nous valise là encore jeudi n'a pas checker quelques différents malls. N'a pas shopping tout, but n'a pas regardé pour nous voir specifically si nous joindre valise là que m'a cherché parce que tant comme dit nous I have an outfit that I want to do, and the outfit is not going to be completed if I don't have the bag. So, not going to even what's in the Valiz. Ubiam ka jono lot alternative for Valiz. I don't know yet.
Now we're going to San Diego. Last time we went to LA, now we're going to San Diego. We're going to check up on the way. Cinnabar Vario.
Yeah.
For New Gen Valley side.
Because also, bon bagay ki bon about rete in California, no kale different kote na même jour, right?
Yeah. So, there's so many places to go. Naturally, comment.
Yeah. Comment.
Till then, enjoy the scenery and the roads.
Yeah.
See you when we get there. Eris, you looking around? Watch where you going. Look at why she sit. What, Eris? Why you sitting like she don't want to sit back? Eris don't want to sit back. Eris, she don't want to sit back on the chair. She want to stay up. She want to look at everything. Now we're going on the second floor. To see what we want. You know what? Saki.
Comme checker moi si nous avons valise comme nous pouvons acheter ça yo pour Eris pour nous pas voir si nous valise là.
Yeah, I think I should just out for Eris. You're not seeing anything? Wow, ain't you better than him?
Valiz la mwen page aucun valiz na.
Me valiz lot bon. But ask somebody that works here. Monday you see about a valiz la. Oh, I valiz la même, no? Eris, it's your library. It's your library. Paga ela, no? Yeah, eu vou tout bagay yo deja. Wash tout bagay. Jeep, ay Jeep jean. Oh, me valiz yo. Me valiz ça?
No.
Me valiz. Why je ne valiz ça encore? Oh, what about this one?
Where?
Over there, by the mirror.
No.
Ah, okay.
Je cherche un jean bleu. Like, I think this blue. Like, un jean bleu.
Comme ça?
But I feel like not the mom jeans because then your mom jean, yeah, is too big.
Il battait bon? Okay. Hmm? Oh, ça belle. I like that. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Sparkling.
Yeah, this one is nice too.
Yeah, that is. In both. Eris, you like it? Okay, man? Yeah. Oh, got a moo. Me moo, baby. That's a moo. That's a moo. Got a moo. I've got a moo, Lord boy. Ooh. Huh? Sorry?
But I'm still by some shit.
Uba well? Okay. So, and I move on?
Yeah, I feel like we need to move on.
But I think we should ask before we leave. Monday, like,
No power well on display anyway.
you never know. They might have it in the back. Do you have a picture of the bag? Maybe we'll move the old bag line up. Oh, yeah, it's in the back. So many times. Mitsubai, Leo retard. Ano pa yun, Valiz? Store number 566. No Valiz. Oh boy. What is so loud out of nowhere? What? You like the dress?
You like the dress?
I can't believe she was that loud. I don't see from Miss here. Fala bem. Una store really was that? Hein? Ça l'a dit là. She said, get the camera out of my face, please. Alright, let's play and then leave. Let's go. Now. I'm cherching Valiz là encore because Valiz là nowhere to be found. So now we're at la guy, day 565, looking for that Valiz.
Nope.
Même Eris va aller là-bas.
Kill Eris, mash it up.
Yeah, mash it up. So, anale, lakay, la chiki, on l'autre côté, on l'autre joue.
Yeah, anale.
Let's go. Bien, mimosa.
Yeah, must have vibey.
Yeah, it's nice. We're gonna go left so you could show in front of the mall.
Okay.
Where John Sambo. Look at this guy looking at it. This guy up front here looking. They pointing at. Yeah.